Timmy was a cheerful little boy with a curious mind. One morning, he looked out of his window and saw a tiny patch of soil in the corner of his backyard. It looked lonely and empty. "I want to grow something here," Timmy exclaimed. His mother smiled. "That's a wonderful idea, Timmy. But plants need care, patience, and daily attention." Timmy didn't mind. He ran to the kitchen, grabbed some seeds, and planted them carefully in the soil. He watered them gently and whispered, "Grow strong, little seeds." The next day, Timmy ran outside, but nothing had sprouted. "Maybe I planted them wrong," he muttered. Day after day, Timmy watered the soil, removed little weeds, and even talked to the seeds, hoping they would grow. But days turned into a week, and still nothing. Timmy felt sad. "Maybe I'm not good at this. Maybe the seeds don't like me," he sighed. His mother knelt beside him. "Timmy, plants take time. You have to be patient and consistent. Nature works slowly, but it always rewards care." Timmy nodded and decided not to give up. He continued his daily routine, watering the soil, pulling out tiny weeds, and watching over it carefully. Finally, after 2 long weeks, something magical happened. Tiny green sprout peeked out of the soil. Timmy jumped with joy. They grew. They really grew. Each day, he cared for the little sprouts. They became taller, stronger, and greener. Timmy planted carrots, tomatoes, and flowers. Soon, his little garden was full of colors, scents, and life. Neighbors passing by smiled and said, "Timmy, what a beautiful garden. You must be very patient and caring." Timmy beamed proudly. "I just took care of my plants every day," he said. One sunny morning, he shared the fresh vegetables and flowers with his friends. Everyone cheered, and Timmy realized something very important. Small, consistent efforts bring big rewards. Patience and care make the impossible possible. From that day on, Timmy took care of everything in his life the same way he cared for his garden homework, toys, and even his friendships, because he had learned that patience, love, and consistency always paid off. Moral of the story: patience and consistent effort lead to success. Even small actions, when done regularly with care, can grow into something wonderful.